Satnam. This is a 10-minute practice to lift up your mood, to detox negativity, whether you're doing it in the morning, middle of the day, or in the evening. Let's bring our hands together in prayer pose and just start with initiating the practice with Om Namo Gurudev Nam. I bow to the highest teacher within me. Close your eyes, find a good straight spine, seated position. Your shoulders relaxed, your neck relaxed, your jaw relaxed, feeling how you're falling upwards, elevating yourself, rising from the sit bones, rooting down to the seat. If you're sitting on a chair, feel your feet flat on the ground and take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Take another deep breath in. And feel how the mantra is vibrating around you and bringing your eyes to the third eye point and breathing out. Take a deep breath in to start chanting and bring your neck to a slight neck lock while the eyes are in the third eye point. And let's chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last time. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Take a deep breath in. Engage your root block, your 6 organs, navel center, and anus. Holding your breath. And breathe out. And just listen to yourself and the moment. And now let's bring our hands to ego eradicator. So your thumbs are coming out and your fingers are touching the pads of your hands, and you bring them up. First by panting through our mouth like a dog. And now we're going to go a little bit with the panting and do then 1 minute of breath of fire. Now strong arms and close your mouth, eyes on the third eye point, and doing the breath of fire. So the stomach is pumping, and it's pumping straight to the nostrils, bypassing the lungs. If you need to take a break, then focus on your arms and your gaze, and then come back to the breath. Work up your stamina, and if you're menstruating or pregnant, you just do long, deep breathing. Half a minute to go. You're doing great. Feel how your root chakra and the second chakra are strong. The second chakra is supporting the pumping. Your arms are aligned, and find the support from the structure and relax your jaw, relax your neck. Now take a deep breath in. Make a root lock and bring your thumbs touching above your head and stretch up. Hold your breath and stretch up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Root lock, neck lock. And then breathe out, swoop your aura with your fingers open, and then bring your fingers down to the ground. So really root them on your seat to the ground. And then just feel how you feel. For our meditation, we're going to do a meditation for prosperity, abundance, and protection. But it's also a meditation to reprogram your subconscious, all the blockages that is holding you back from being who you really are. And also it allows us to become strong in our energy so that our heart and our mind can stay soft and open. The mantra is a little bit long, but you will get the hang of it. And the mudra is this, in rhythm. Close your eyes, have a good seated position, eyes focused on the third eye. Take your hand positions and sing with full. And now take a deep breath in. Squeeze your root lock and the 6 organs and navel center. And breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Engage your root lock and your neck lock. Your fingers stretch up, up, up. And breathe out. And now take a deep breath in and reach your fingers up, up, up. Make a root lock and start shaking your hands. Shake, 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 holding the breath. And keeping the root lock, just shake, move the air around you as long as you can. And when you can no more, then breathe out and bring your hands to your knees. Allow the energy to settle. Feel that deep embodiment and you as the observer of the phenomena, but not the phenomena. Feel the rest and the peace and the fullness of your being, of your energy, your aura, the joy and the happiness and the gratitude. Now bring your hands to prayer mudra and let's do one long sat and short now. Take a deep breath in. Sat Nam. Have an amazing time. See you soon.